Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Today's audit comes from a subscriber who sent me some details on this person, Yale Jeanette, and her claim on how to make 1,000 a month selling educational printables on Etsy. Anytime somebody sends me something about Etsy, I mean, I'm going to jump all over that because that's simply one of the biggest scam things you can get going right now. And, the title makes a promise. The video never mentions it again. That's the whole audit. It's crazy what she's doing. Um, when the only place the number exists is in the title, the number isn't a claim, it's bait. So she's basically just baiting you guys to sign up and join her stuff, which I get it. But again, unrealistic expectations from these YouTubers or these guys, these gurus, whatever you want to call them, but they're basically just scam artist salesmen, and she's no different. So the title, 1,000 a month, gets a grade D. Count how many times she says in the number. She keeps repeating it, but basically she's just trying to get you to buy all her links. So here's the whole deal. We'll go and break it down. Part one, the number, the 1,000 a month is the title and the description box. It's never spoken. Play any section. It's not there. She doesn't back it up. It's just a number that you guys, all 94,000 of you morons that sign up for her crap, just like all the other ones, you just sign up because you sucker, because you see the title and you think, oh my God, I can make $1,000 on Etsy. You're full of crap. You think you will. Okay, number two, the proof, no Etsy dashboard, no sales count, never a revenue screenshot, not hers. Let's see, not her. What else we got here? Anyone? Okay, it's not hers, not anyone's. In the 4 prior audits, I've borrowed dashboards and estimator tools, numbers. This one didn't even bother with fake proof. There's just nothing. Yeah, of all the other Etsy audits I've done, there's usually something that has like a little backboard of what they get audit and where they got their numbers. She has absolutely nothing. And again, just another fraud or scam artist is all she is. Okay. What the video actually is, it's a Canva design lesson. Yeah, basically you want to learn how to do Canva, watch the video from Yale. You'll learn how to do it. Fonts, colors, unicorn stars, teaching you to make product is not teaching you to make any money. So you should have get an F, really, Yale, because you're just bullshit. Okay. Let's see. It's also about using Canva Pro elements, her words. Her method needs to a paid Canva subscription framed as flexibility, never framed as cost. Yeah, I mean, I have Canva Pro and it's like $12, but it's not a lot of money. But you need to mention things like that, that there is stuff that you have to spend money. Passive income is on her hashtag, her own mouth. The next step is a little tedious, and it took me quite a bit. She recolors titles letters by letter. That's a job, not a passive. So she's just basically reiterating herself and digging a deeper hole. The whole, thank you to HubSpots for sponsoring her videos today, her words. So she got paid for this, whether it's printables, either pay you a dime. Yeah, HubSpot gave her money, so who cares if you guys lose money? She just makes money. The video ends up selling her library of 1,000 plus resellable products. Think about the word resellable. Hello. Every buyer lists the same design. You'll be competing against clones of your own product. Yeah, that's what I keep telling you guys. You don't need her, you don't need Alec or any of these morons that tell you stuff about make money on Etsy. Etsy's a product you can sell, but you're going to have to pay your dues and you're going to have to pay money to run ads. You're just not going to, these guys, you think that they're, clearly this one, Yale, makes money. You guys lose money by you signing up for her crap. Let's listen to a little bit and then I'll wrap up this audit.
You asked me to pick one digital product that will still be selling 10 years from now.
Yeah, and it'll be super saturated, Yale.
I put my money on educational resources. Kids don't stop learning, and teachers don't stop teaching. Today, I'm showing you how to design these aesthetic educational printables in Canva so you can start selling them on Etsy.
Yeah, there's the HubSpot video spot.
First, let's talk about what educational printables are.
Okay, so first of all, let's try and look pretty in front of the camera so everybody follows me and show you my nice big blingy ring and my Rolex, which is probably fake. So, God, these people piss me off. Okay, let's see what else we got on this thing. So let's wrap it up. I think this is yeah, the title implies monthly income. The video never gives a timeline at all. Not how long for the first sale, not how long 315 a month. A monthly income claim with no timeline attached isn't a plan, it's a headline. And you're basically again, it's just a scam. She gets paid by HubSpot, so she could tell you to sell teddy bears and it wouldn't make a difference. She makes money, you guys lose money. She's just another Etsy scam artist trying to make it look like she knows what she's talking about. And she's got a little pretty self stands in front of everything. She's all cute and everything. You guys are all morons if you follow her. But, hey, if you can prove me wrong, go ahead. I'd love to hear it in the comments. I don't think you can because, again, tell me in there where she proves that you can actually make money doing this. Not one time. She's a fraud. She's a scam artist. And just like all the other Etsy people who sell you crap. All right. Thanks for watching. Look forward to the next one. Get your shit together, yo.